Welcome all of you for a fresh topic today. The subject is maths and the topic is the expanded form of a number. So, ready to learn? Let's get started. What is an expanded form? Let's see with an example. On this board, I am writing a number. Look at it carefully. The number is okay. Here is the number. Can you read it? 4,56,879. Oh, 6-digit number is so 4,56,879. If you are asked to find the expanded form of this number, how will you calculate the expanded form? Very easy. Some tricks are there how to find out the expanded form. To find out the expanded form of a number, we should know exactly the place value of each digit in the given number. Then comes the question, what is the place value? In my previous video, I have explained that what is the place and what is the place value of a digit. So when you know the place value of the digit exactly, then you can find out the expanded form of that number. So in this example, I am going to tell you how to find the expanded form. There are 6 digits. When we have to find the expanded form, let's write the place value of each digit in this number. So finding the place value, we have to write the places. Let's write like this. The first number is 4, and according to the order of the places, 4 comes at lakhs place. So multiply this 4 by 1 lakh. 4 into 1 lakh. Write the sign of addition, that is plus. Again, second digit is 5. According to the order, 5 is at 10,000 place. So multiply this 5 by 10,000. Again plus. Next digit is 6 into the place is 1,000. 6 into 1,000. Write here plus. Again, the digit is 8. Is at 100 place. 8 into 100 plus the next digit is 7. 7 into 10, and the last digit is 9, that is at the unit place. So write here 9 into 1. So what we have done is we have written the digits in the multiplication with their places. 4 into 1 lakh, 5 into 10,000, 6 into 1,000, then 8 into 100, 7 into 10, and 9 into 1. Then simply multiply them with the places. What you got is 4 into 10, 1 lakh, that is 4 lakhs, plus 5 into 10,000, that is 50,000, plus 6 into 1,000, that is 6,000, plus 8 into 100, that is 800, plus 7 into 10, that is 70, and 9 into 1, that is 9. See what we have got here. 4 lakhs plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 9, and this is the answer of your question. This is actually the expanded form of this number. So if you got added all these numbers, you will get this number again. So this is the expanded form. Now you will understand what is the expanded form of a number. The expanded form of a number is nothing but the addition of all the place values of each digit in the given number. Just we have to write the place values in addition, and you will get the expanded form of this number. So you can write the expanded form of any number using this method. So go and practice. Again, I want to tell you one more thing in this video. In exams, you have to write such expanded forms. Also, there is one question that find the number from the given expanded form. That means you are given this form and you have to find out the number itself. So how to find the number from the given expanded form? Let's see. I will tell you how to find out the number from the expanded form. Finding a number from expanded form. Okay, so here let's see one example. I am writing an expanded form of a number like 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 80 plus 4. Okay, here is an expanded form of a number that we have to find out. So 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 80 plus 4. So we can find the number from this expanded form using two methods. Yes, I am going to tell you two methods for this. Which one you will feel comfortable or you will feel find it easy, then you follow it. The first method is simplest one, that is just write these numbers vertically as you write the numbers in addition. Look, I am writing here 5 lakhs plus 40,000. Just remember one thing, whenever you are writing these numbers in addition vertically, pay attention to the places. Write the numbers place wise, that is the unit place comes under the unit place of the number. So here 40,000, okay, plus 3,000, yes, then 80 plus 4. Make the addition. What will you get? 0 0 0 0 4, that is 4. 8 0 0 0 8 0 3 4 and 5. Here is our answer. The number is 5,43,084. This was one method. Again, there is another method, finding the number from this expanded form. The method is also very simple. You have written or you have seen this expanded form. Just pick out the places from them. Like this 5 lakhs, I can write 5 lakhs like 5 into 1 lakh. The value is same, just another form, 5 into 1 lakh plus 40,000. I can write here 4 into 10,000. Then again the sign plus 3,000. We can write here 3 into 1,000 plus 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Okay, just I have written these numbers in another form. The value is same. So by writing these numbers in this form, the benefit is we can easily see which number will come at which place. That means 5 is at 1 lakh place, 4 is at 10,000 place, 3 is at 1,000 place, 8 is at 10 place, 4 is at 1 place. So let's write first. The 5 is at lakhs place, 5 lakhs, 40,000, 4 and the 1,000 place is 3, so 43,000. Then if you see, we have forgotten the 100 place, or there is no number for 100 place. When there is no number for 100 place, then what will you write? You have to write 0 there. So the 100 place is 0. 0, then 8 is at 10 place. Here is 8 and our last digit is 4 into 1, that is 4 is at unit place. So tally these two numbers, these two methods, the answer is same. So from these two methods you can use any method and you will get the correct answer. You can find the numbers from the given expanded form. So isn't it so easy? The expanded form is very easy, though the name seems difficult, but it's very easy to find out the expanded form. So friends, from this video we have learned how to find out the expanded form of the number and how to find out the number from its expanded form. Did you like this video? Do share with us and do tell us, and for watching more videos, do follow us. Subscribe our channel Scholarly Enhance the Learning. Now till then, take care. Bye bye.